Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead. Today, I want to go over why I think if you've been thinking about getting a 3D printer, now is probably the time. Be right back. Alright, so just a few reasons why I think now is the time to get a 3D printer or to get into 3D printing if you've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it for a long time. I've heard about them for years now, but it seemed like there was a lot to it. Finally, I did bite the bullet. Got this one here. It's the CR Creality 6SE. CR6SE. Yeah. Anyways, the thing was, I think it was 9 screws to put together. 2 of those were to put the handle on at the top. So super easy to put together. And it comes with a lot of the other upgrades and features that a lower end printer wouldn't have, that make things so much easier for the beginner. And lower end, I think this thing runs around $300. So they're not even that expensive anymore. Let me show you some of the things I really like about it and why I like it. Alright, one of the first things that people a lot of times will upgrade is the print bed. This is already a heated print bed, and it comes with the glass. This here, you undo these, it has the glass print bed. So that's one of the upgraded features that a lot of people would go and upgrade after they got theirs, that this one already has. This also already has your spool holder on there. And from what I understand, it also has upgraded software. And it comes with a little tool tray with a bunch of little tools in it. And it came with the flash drive even. Like I said, six screws, plugged it in, plugged the flash drive in, turned it on. Another big feature this thing has that is one of the key elements to printing, from what I understand, because like I said, I'm a novice. But all I know is I get really good results. This thing, I printed this thing. To me, that's pretty cool. Anyways, one of the features this thing has leveling, has the auto leveling. You can see it there. So it actually, you click that button, it auto levels, and you're pretty much good to go. Yeah, I added those. But, I mean, that's all there is to it. It's too easy. Mainly wanted to put this out because I've heard and seen a lot of people over, especially the last few months that I've had this, talk about how they've thought about it, they would like to. Well, just do it. I mean, at this point, it's plug and play. I mean, get you something like this, don't get you a low end one. Go ahead and spend the $300 on it, and you're printing and you're getting functional prints. Between this, the website Thingiverse, some YouTube, where I learned how to use Tinkercad. You know, I can download things, edit things. It was easy. I mean, I can't say much more about it, but it's finally at the point where a small-time hobbyist, somebody that's not super into it, can actually use these things and get really nice things and results from it. So that's my 2 bits on it. If you're debating it, I would definitely go ahead and pick one up, especially if you got, you know, say 400 total, you know, because you do got to, it comes with some filament, but you got to buy some filament too. And the more you mess up and the more you want to make, the more filament you got to get. I mean, it's not perfect, it's not 100%, but it's right there where you, a little bit of tinkering, and you don't have to invest, you know, tens and tens of hours each week into it just to get some little cheap tchotchke thing. So, alright, maybe I'll end this with a couple pictures of some of my different prints, and I'll put a link to my other Instagram I have off of Chickenhawkfarmstead. It's got all that. Alright, have a good one, and we'll be back with more.